Let's ride. Good evening, folks. Today's 10/12/19/2023. I'm your host, Mr. Gus.
Welcome back here on Live Now from Fox. Take a look at your screen right there. This video just coming in of this volcano erupting over in southwestern Iceland. I feel as though we've been talking about this for weeks upon weeks, but it sent a flash of light into the sky and spewed semi-molten rock into the air. The eruption last night about 2.5 miles from the town of Grindavik, where folks have dealt with hundreds of earthquakes as they brace for that eruption. Brian Yennis with Fox News follow.
Five minutes later.
Good evening and welcome to the channel's studios here in London with your international news around the world in 5. A volcano has erupted on the Reykjanes Peninsula of southwest Iceland after weeks of intense earthquake activity. About 4,000 people were evacuated last month from Grindavik, a fishing town about 4 kilometers away. The Icelandic
built on legends, and that legends are a way of understanding things greater than ourselves, forces that shape our lives, events that defy explanation, individuals whose lives soar to the heavens or fall to the earth. This is how legends are born.